नमस्ते बच्चों, सेकेंड स्लाइड में है ये हमारा डाउट क्लियरिंग सेक्शन। ठीक है, हम देख रहे थे ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स, एंटोनिम्स, हंसना, रोना। रोना इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ठीक है, आज, टुडे, आज इज टुडे। द ऑपोजिट वर्ड फॉर आज इज कल। ओके, कल मीन्स टुमारो। कल is meaning for yesterday also. For yesterday and tomorrow the same word kal. So the opposite word for आज is कल. Okay, कल. ठीक है, यहाँ देखिए मैंने ऑप्शन आपको क्या क्या दिया हुआ है। रात, ऑप्शन है आपका रात। रात इज नाइट, दिन, डे। एटलीस्ट अभी आप मीनिंग्स लिख लो माँ बेटा। रात, नाइट, दिन, डे, साल, ईयर। कल इज टुमारो और यस्टरडे। सो कल इज द करेक्ट आंसर। ठीक है, और ये है हमारा फोर्थ रोमन लेटर, सही या गलत। डेफिनेटली यू शुड नॉट हैव टू मेक मिस्टेक इन दिस। देखिए, निम्न वाक्यों को पढ़कर सही और गलत का निशान लगाइए। रीड द कंटेंट, रीड द सेंटेंसेस एंड से वेदर द सेंटेंस इज करेक्ट और रॉन्ग गिवन इन योर बुक। दिस इज बुक एक्सरसाइज। ओके, देखिए फर्स्ट है, हमें बुरा काम नहीं करना चाहिए। We should not do. See children, I cannot give, sometimes I may change the sentence. Okay, nahi, nahi could have, I have added. You have to read the sentence, then understand, then give the true or false. Okay, देखिए, हमें बुरा काम नहीं करना चाहिए। We should not do wrong things, wrong work. हमें, we, बुरा, bad. Already we have learnt बुरा, the meaning है ना, काम, work। नहीं, you know, नहीं, no, करना चाहिए। कर means do, कर means do। Verb, I have done, given you the verb slides also, learn more verbs in that। Okay, करना चाहिए। We should not do any wrong work. So that is correct answer. Okay, correct। गलत या सही? सही। हम शत्रु भाव को देश से दूर भगाएंगे। वी शत्रु, now we have learned the meaning. Shatru is enemy. Bhav, already we have learned this in our first Pratana lesson. The meaning for bhav is, many times I have mentioned over there, feel. Bhav is a feel. See, if you could have noted down the meaning in that lesson itself, now you can understand this easily. Shatru, bhav, the feel of enmity. Ko desh, desh is a country, you know very well. Dur, dur means far away, drive away. We will drive away very far the feel of Shatru Bhav, the enmity. That is right answer. Okay, that is right answer. और देखिए, गधे की मित्रता गीदड़ से हुई। गधा, डोंकी, उसकी मित्रता किससे हुई थी? Donkey made friendship of what? Is it a dog? Billy? Geether. It made a friendship with the geether. That also a correct answer. ठीक है, धोबी के पास घोड़ा था। धोबी, the lesson, second lesson had a धोबी. One washerman was there. He had a what animal? He had a donkey to carry his loads, isn't it? Here I have mentioned धोबी के पास घोड़ा था। He had a horse. Is it the right answer? No, ghoda. You should understand the meaning for ghoda. You can understand. Little bit pause there and try to understand. You can understand, children, all of you, because that much of vocabularies you know I have taught you. Okay. So galat answer. Simply by reading the sentences, you may think that no, I cannot understand anything. I could not understand. I don't know what is the meaning for this. How can I select sahi or galat? It's not like that. Definitely go word by word meaning, recall the meaning, and just join all the meanings together and think, oh, this is this like sentence. This gives the statement like this. Then you can select the correct answer. ठीक है? So गधा रोज रोटी खाता था। Every day Gadha used to eat roti. Is it right answer? It used to go to the others field and eat the what is there in the field, है ना, what they have grown there, उसे आग खाकर आ जाता था. गधा रोज रोटी खाता था. ये सही आंसर है क्या? गलत आंसर है. ठीक है, ये है हमारा 5th रोमन लेटर. चूज द करेक्ट आंसर फॉर द फॉलोइंग गिवन बिलो. निम्न प्रश्नों के लिए सही उत्तर दीजिए. गिव करेक्ट आंसर टू द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस. हमें आपस में क्या बनकर रहना चाहिए? दिस इज प्रार्थना लेसन. हमें आपस में वी टुगेदर we will be having what relationship? दुश्मन, enmity, मित्र, friendship, भाई भाई. भाई भाई means brotherlyhood. I have mentioned there in the poem. We should have a brothers and sisters feeling in us. Okay. और देखिए, बालक को किसकी सेवा करनी चाहिए? To whom he should have to work? He should have to work for the दोनों. गुरु की, guru means teacher, mata pita, mother and father. So he has to work for both. Okay, so दोनों की is the answer correct. धोबी के गधे का नाम क्या था? What was the name for the धोबी's गधा, donkey? मणि, शेरू, उघत. उघत is the correct answer. गधा क्या ढोया करता था? What did गधा was loading? पानी, it used to load पानी. खाना, खाना means food. कपड़ा, cloth, कपड़ा. कपड़ा is the correct answer. गीदड़, गीदड़ गधे को क्या कहकर बुलाता था? What do गीदड़ call गधा as? गीदड़ used to call गधा as a mama and Gadha used to call Gidad as a bhanja. Okay. Mama is mama and bhanja is machan, we say in Tamil. Okay. So, he used to call him as a mama. See here, this is very simple question. Select the correct picture for the given word. Aam ka ped. Is it looking like a mango tree? Aam ka ped means mango tree. Is it looking like a mango tree? Is it looking like a mango tree? Yes, this is the correct answer. Okay. Kapda, cloth. Is it a kapda? Cloth? No. Is it kapla? Kapda? No. Is it a kapda? ये कपड़ा है क्या? हाँ, ये कपड़ा है. So, कपड़ा ये first option correct है. आँख. आँख means eye. यहाँ पर आँख कहाँ पर है? Eyes. ये रहा eye. If you know the meaning for aankh, then only you can give the correct answer. That's why I am insisting you to learn the meanings. Just learn the meanings in Hindi. That's all. Samp, snake. Which is the snake here? ये रहा यहाँ पर, है ना? Snake. लाल रंग, red color. ये रहा red color. So this is the correct answer. ठीक है? See, here you have to complete the conversation. अध्यापक is saying, बच्चों हम कहाँ आए हैं? Children, where did we have come? What the child has to say? जी घर आए, we have come to the home. जी चिड़िया घर आए, we have come to the zoo. जी बगीचा आए हैं, we have come to the garden. जी खेत आए हैं, we have come to the field, farmland. What scene is there behind? It's looking like a zoo. Is it a house? Is it a farmland? Is it looking like a garden? ठीक है? So garden is the correct answer. And here see the conversation. जी मैंने सारा काम कर दिया. जी I have done all my work. So what the teacher has to say? See in smart board and all, if you complete one activity, what do it say? Shabash. It's clapping, no? Shabash. Like that. See how what the teacher has to say. Shabash mera beta. Very good my child. Okay, she is encouraging. क्यों नहीं? Why not? कहाँ है? Where is that? बहुत अच्छा. Good. Something good. So which should be the correct apt for this? Maybe बहुत अच्छा also we can take consider. but these two answer is definitely wrong. So shabash beta is the correct answer. And here select the noun in the following sentences. Noun is the name of a place, animals, things, and the name of the persons, isn't it? So यहाँ पर देखिए, मैं रोज दूध पीता हूँ. मैं, I is not a noun, that is a pronoun. रोज, every day is not a thing. दूध is a milk, that is a thing. पीता हूँ, पीता is a verb, kriya. So that is also not a verb. So verb is a, noun is a दूध. दूध is correct answer. आज सुरेश आएगा. Today Suresh will come. आज, today, is it a noun? Suresh, name of the person. आएगा, will come. So name of the person Suresh is the correct answer. रमा आज गाना गाएगी. रमा, today, गाना is a song. गाएगी, will sing. Rama is the name of the person. Aaj, today, Gana, song. Song is not a thing, isn't it? Gayegi is sing. Sing is a verb. So Rama is the correct word. मैं तुम्हारे साथ खाना खाऊंगी. I will eat food along with you. खाना is a thing. मैं, I, तुम्हारे साथ, along with you, खाना, food, खाऊंगी, will eat. So food is the thing. So that is the noun. राजा स्कूल जा रहा था. Raja, name of the person. School is also name of the thing, place. जा रहा था. But I have not given a school over here, isn't it? Raja जा रहा था. So school is not there. तो Raja is the correct answer. Raja correct answer. देखिए हमारा लास्ट रोमन लेटर है शायद से ये. शिकार करने वाले को क्या कहते हैं? Those who are hunting. What do you say? शिकारी. Kavi is a poet. Dakya is a postman. Okay. So शिकारी is the correct answer. भेड़ चराने वाले को क्या कहते हैं? Those who tame animals. Okay. चरवाहा. चराना, see चरा. Charvana. Charvaha relates the words also. Kavi, Dakya. They two are, Kavi is a poet, Dakya is a postman. डाक बांटने वाले को क्या कहते हैं? Those who distribute the letters. जो डाक बांटते हैं उसे क्या कहते हैं हम? जुलाहा. जुलाहा is a weaver. शिकार is a hunter. डाकिया is a postman. So postman is the correct answer. ठीक है. So बच्चों देख लिया आज हमने. हमारा ये था डाउट क्लियरिंग सेशन. Don't do any mistakes in the forthcoming examinations. Learn the words meanings line by line, word by word. More meanings if you know. You can make sentences. You can speak Hindi. Okay, बहुत अच्छा बच्चों. अपना एक नोटबुक, अलग नोटबुक नहीं चाहिए. हिंदी के नोटबुक में खोल के रखे. जो जो मीनिंग्स है सभी लिख के प्रैक्टिस करो. उसे यूज करो. नॉट ओनली राइटिंग. यूज इट. ओके, यूज इट. ठीक है बच्चों. ओके, धन्यवाद बच्चों.